First, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I get dressed. I walk to school. I do not ride a bike. I do not ride the bus. I like to go to school. I like to learn and see my friends. It rains a lot. I do not like the rain. I eat lunch. I eat a sandwich and an apple. I drink some orange juice too. I play outside. I like to play basketball with my friends. After we play, I read a book. I like to read books. I walk home. I do not like walking home. It's so far. My mother cooks chicken soup for dinner. The soup is hot. Then I go to bed. I do not like to go to bed.